Hey there, home cooks! Ever wondered what to do with those leftover radish leaves? Well, today I'm going to show you how to transform them into gourmet magic with 4 simple recipes. So, let's get cooking. First up, we've got a radish leaf quiche. Yeah, I know, fancy, right? For this, you'll need 1 pre-made pie crust, 2 cups of chopped radish leaves, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, salt, and pepper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sauté the radish leaves until they're nice and wilted, then pop them into the pie crust. Whisk together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper, and pour it over the leaves. Sprinkle on the cheese like you mean it. Bake for about 35 minutes until it's golden and delicious. Let it cool a bit before slicing in. Voila, gourmet brunch. Next, we've got a radish leaf soup that'll warm your soul. You'll need 2 cups of radish leaves, 1 chopped onion, 2 garlic cloves, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a splash of cream. Sauté the onion and garlic until fragrant, add the radish leaves and broth, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Blend it all up until smooth. Stir in that luxurious splash of cream and serve hot with some crusty bread. Comfort in a bowl. Now let's make some radish leaf pesto. Trust me, you'll never go back to basil. You'll need 2 cups of radish leaves, 1/4 cup of nuts, walnuts or pine nuts work great, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, 2 garlic cloves, and 1/2 cup of olive oil. Toss everything into a food processor and blend until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. This pesto is perfect on pasta, sandwiches, or even as a dip. Plus, you can store it in the fridge for a week if it lasts that long. Last but not least, a radish leaf stir fry that's quick and tasty. You'll need 2 cups of radish leaves, 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Heat up some oil in a pan and throw in the garlic until it's fragrant. Add the bell pepper and carrot, stir-frying for about 5 minutes. Toss in the radish leaves, soy sauce, and red pepper flakes. Stir fry for another 2 minutes until the leaves are wilted and everything's coated in that yummy sauce. Serve it over rice, and you've got yourself a delicious, healthy meal. So there you have it, folks. 4 fantastic ways to use up those radish leaves and turn them into gourmet dishes. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!